Welcome to this video. Rustic gardening bed for beginning. Gardening is one of the most reward hobby you can take on. Whether a hope to growing your own vegetable, enjoy the beauty of bamboo, flower, or simple create a playful outdoor space. Gardening contact you with natural in a full fit way for being however the thoughtful of start a gardening discard is the gardening can feel overwhelmed salt quality weather issue can make a define you get start this is warm stick gardening bed can come in stick gardening bed are an excellent choice bring then simple the productive of gardening with often more central over salt water and plants growing with a little plant can make set up your first rustic bed and growing fresh food.